Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus does have the stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and on top there's nothing. Here's one speaker, and that's a phone call speaker. And the next one, which is the main speaker on this device, is right here. And that will be it. Now we need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, this one right here and this one, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So as you could just hear, the two speakers work, and that means this phone does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.